Hello, this is the Formatting Advisor with the Graduate School, giving a quick introduction to using the Word templates and about document accessibility. What is accessibility when it comes to documents? Well, it means that files such as Word docs and PDFs can be read by screen readers and other assistive technologies. And we achieve this by doing a few things to our document to make it structured in such a way that a computer can read it. The Word templates are designed to help with this task. So let's start by downloading a copy of the templates. We'll be working in Word, so if you need a copy or an updated copy, grab a copy from UIT. You're free to use LaTeX or another document preparation software instead if you're familiar with them. So here are the Word templates. I also recommend downloading the sample pages, which tell you what the formatting requirements are in these little yellow boxes. Once you have your copy downloaded, be sure to fill out the front matter with your information. We have the title page, copyright page, dedication and acknowledgments, VITA, American Indian Heritage pages. We also have the table of contents, list of tables and list of figures, as well as the optional glossary or nomenclature and a required abstract. Then we get to the body of our ETD. I assume most of you have been working on your document somewhere else. You can go ahead and delete all of the information up to the References Cited page. And you'll want to start on a new page, so you can go to Layout, Breaks, Page Break to start a fresh page. Click back up here. We'll want to go back to the Home tab and make sure we start out with normal text. So we go up here to Styles and find Normal. Click that, and it should move the cursor over to Normal. So your next step is to copy your original information and paste it into our new template here, matching the text as close as possible. That seems pretty good. Usually merge formatting works well too. So we will scroll up and start applying our headings. We want this to be a chapter title. So I'm going to find the chapter title heading. Chapter titles also need to be in uppercase, so we're going to change that to uppercase. For first level headings, I'm going to find a first level heading, highlight it, find the first level heading style, apply it by just clicking on it, and that applies the correct heading style above and below, which saves a lot of work. I find that's the hardest thing for students to do with their document is the heading spacing. I have a style for figure and table captions as well. We're going to move this down so we can see it better. First, highlight your caption and then come up here and find the caption above or caption below. This is caption below, and it creates a triple space between the figure caption and the body of the text. And we'll keep going. We'll pretend this is another first level heading. It's going to be another first level heading. This will be a second level heading. So the third level heading styles are a little bit different. The text has to be in line with the heading, which means that the paragraph continues on the same line as the heading, which makes the heading just act a little differently when you try to apply it. So now we're going to apply the third level heading style. Sometimes it will work if you just go like that, but other times it won't. One way to fix this is to apply the heading on its own line, put your cursor at the end of the heading, and then hit Control, Alt, Enter if you're on a Windows computer. That might be Command, Option, Return on a Mac. I'm not quite sure. You might have to play around with it. So that's really the only tricky one. We also have a heading style if you have a long quote or a block quote, which is a quote that's 4 lines or longer. We'll pretend this is a quote and apply it. So come down here, apply the long quote, so you can see it's indented and justified and single spaced there. And we're using these style headings because it'll make your ETD much more accessible for screen readers once you convert it to a PDF, because it creates these little bookmarks on the side here that screen readers can easily organize and look through your document. I also found that if you go to Word and go to View and turn on the navigation pane, it'll tell you what your heading styles are, just like the PDF, and you can use that to organize your document when you're working on it. Concerning accessibilities, there's some other tasks you can do, such as adding alt text to your images. You can right-click, hit alt text, and add a sentence or two about what the figure is so that screen readers can describe it. And you can also set document properties too, such as the title of your ETD and your name as author. And you can do those document properties as it's a PDF as well. You can also save it with bookmarks by going to More option and making sure that the Create Bookmarks Using Headings is turned on. And if you have any questions on formatting, we do have a formatting FAQ and some formatting videos, GIFs to help you. All right, we hope that we're able to introduce you to formatting professional writing as well as helping you be more aware of creating accessible documents in the future. Thank you so much for watching and good luck.